Forno Appliances introduces you to the 36-inch model FFSEL6917-36 electric French door range. The beautiful stainless steel finish cleans easily and complements other Forno appliances to fit any kitchen design. There are 7 zinc-coated metal control knobs and bezel rings that will last and look great for the life of the range. Oven and hot surface warning light indicators. The bevel-shaped doors offers a unique professional look. Forno ranges include a massive steel handle that complements any kitchen decor. The smooth ceramic glass cooktop has 5 electric radiant burners that ranges from 100 to 3000 watts. With spill guard protection, you can keep those minor spills under control. This model features a new French door design. A single motion mechanism simultaneously opens both oven doors, which allows you to easily reach into your oven without strain. This model has a main oven capacity size of 5.36 cubic feet. The electrical oven is equipped with a top outer broiler that can output 1800 watts and an inner broiler of 1000 watts. The bottom bake element is of 2000 watts. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. A true convection fan with a 1500 watt element effectively distributes heat throughout the oven for even baking on many racks or roasting in the oven for professional results. Comes equipped with 2 adjustable chromed oven racks. Includes 1 air fry basket and 1 broiler pan. You can use steam to steam clean your oven. We stand behind every appliance we design and produce, and provide an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, a new era of cooking appliance.